Exploring the potential challenges and limitations of implementing blockchain in travel. While blockchain technology holds immense potential for transforming the travel industry, it's important to acknowledge and understand the challenges and limitations that come with its implementation. One of the main challenges is the scalability of blockchain systems. As travel involves a vast amount of data and transactions, the current blockchain infrastructure may struggle to handle the volume and speed required by the industry. The need for consensus among network participants and the time-consuming process of validating transactions can potentially slow down operations, especially during peak travel periods. Another challenge lies in the integration of blockchain with existing systems and processes. Many travel companies have established back-end systems that are not blockchain compatible. Adapting and integrating blockchain technology into these legacy systems can be complex and costly. Additionally, widespread adoption of blockchain in the travel industry would require collaboration among various stakeholders, including airlines, hotels, travel agencies, and governments, which can be a challenging task. Moreover, while blockchain provides enhanced security through its decentralized and tamper-proof nature, it is not completely immune to cyber threats. As with any technology, there is always a risk of vulnerabilities and potential attacks. Therefore, robust security measures must be in place to protect the integrity and privacy of sensitive travel data stored on the blockchain. Furthermore, the regulatory landscape surrounding blockchain in the travel industry is still evolving. As governments and regulatory bodies grapple with understanding and defining the legal framework for blockchain, there may be uncertainties and compliance issues that need to be addressed. Clear regulations and guidelines are necessary to ensure the responsible and ethical use of blockchain technology in the travel sector. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of implementing blockchain in the travel industry cannot be overlooked. From enhancing security and transparency to reducing fraud and improving efficiency, blockchain has the power to revolutionize the way we travel. As technology continues to advance and the industry adapts, it is crucial to address these challenges and work towards harnessing the full potential of blockchain in the travel sector. The future implications of blockchain technology on the travel industry. The future implications of blockchain technology on the travel industry are nothing short of revolutionary. As blockchain continues to gain momentum and disrupt various sectors, its potential impact on the travel industry is immense. One of the key advantages of blockchain in the travel industry lies in its ability to enhance security and transparency. With blockchain, the entire travel ecosystem can be securely connected in a decentralized manner, eliminating the need for intermediaries and reducing the risk of fraud and data breaches. From booking platforms to payment systems, customer identification, and even loyalty programs, blockchain can provide a tamper-proof and transparent infrastructure, ensuring that every transaction and piece of information is securely recorded and verified. Moreover, blockchain has the potential to streamline and simplify the travel experience for both travelers and service providers. Smart contracts, powered by blockchain, can automate and enforce the terms and conditions of travel agreements, eliminating the need for manual paperwork and reducing the potential for human error. This can lead to significant cost savings and improved efficiency across the industry. Another exciting aspect of blockchain in the travel industry is its potential to revolutionize identity verification. With blockchain-based digital identities, travelers can securely store and share their personal information, such as passport details and travel history, with minimal risk of identity theft or data breaches. This can not only enhance security but also enable seamless and frictionless travel experiences, with travelers easily passing through airport security and immigration checkpoints. Furthermore, blockchain technology can enable new business models and opportunities in the travel industry. For instance, decentralized travel marketplaces can connect travelers directly with service providers, cutting out the middlemen and reducing costs. Additionally, blockchain-based loyalty programs can offer more personalized and rewarding experiences for travelers, with transparent and tradable loyalty points. The future implications of blockchain technology on the travel industry are vast and promising. As more organizations recognize the potential of blockchain and invest in its implementation, we can expect to see enhanced security, transparency, efficiency, and innovation across the entire travel ecosystem. From bookings and payments to identity verification and customer experiences, blockchain has the power to reshape the way we travel, making it safer, more seamless, and ultimately more enjoyable for everyone involved. Steps for a successful adoption of blockchain in travel businesses. Implementing blockchain technology in the travel industry can bring about significant improvements in security and transparency. However, successful adoption requires careful planning and execution. Here are some steps to ensure a smooth transition and maximum benefits for your travel business. 1. Identify pain points. Begin by identifying the specific challenges and inefficiencies in your current systems. This could include issues with data security, fraud prevention, or lack of transparency in transactions. Understanding these pain points will help you determine how blockchain can address these issues. 2. Research blockchain platforms. Explore different blockchain platforms and technologies available in the market. Consider factors such as scalability, security features, consensus mechanisms, and ease of integration with existing systems. Choose a platform that aligns with your business requirements and goals. 3. Collaborate with industry partners. Blockchain technology is most effective when adopted collaboratively within an industry. Seek partnerships with other travel businesses, industry associations, or technology providers who are also interested in blockchain adoption. This collaboration can help establish common standards, share resources, and increase the overall value of the blockchain network. 4. Develop a use case. Define a specific use case for blockchain implementation in your travel business. It could be streamlining the booking process, enhancing data security and customer information, or facilitating more transparent and efficient payment systems. Clearly articulate the benefits and outcomes you expect to achieve through blockchain adoption. 5. Design a blockchain architecture. Work with blockchain experts to design the architecture and infrastructure required for your specific use case. This includes determining the type of blockchain, public, private, or hybrid, selecting appropriate consensus mechanisms, defining smart contracts, and establishing data storage and access protocols. 6. Test and iterate. Before fully implementing blockchain technology, conduct small-scale pilot projects to test the feasibility and effectiveness of your design. Gather feedback from users, identify any shortcomings, and iterate on your solution accordingly. This iterative approach ensures that you refine and optimize your blockchain implementation before deploying it on a larger scale. 7. Ensure regulatory compliance. Blockchain technology operates within a regulatory framework, and it's crucial to ensure compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Understand the legal implications of using blockchain in the travel industry, especially in terms of data protection, privacy, and compliance with international travel regulations. 8. Train your staff. Introduce your employees to the concepts and functionalities of blockchain technology. Provide training sessions to help them understand how blockchain will impact their roles and responsibilities. This will enable smooth integration and adoption of blockchain within your organization. By following these steps, you can successfully adopt blockchain technology in your travel business, revolutionizing the way you handle security, transparency, and customer trust. Embracing blockchain has the potential to enhance the overall travel experience, drive innovation, and set your business apart in an increasingly competitive industry.